The globe on your lantern protects the mantles, creates the correct environment for combustion in the mantles, and disperses the lantern's light. The most common issue with the globe is accidental damage. Replacing the globe is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
To replace the globe on my lantern, I'll begin by removing the top cover. Now I'll carefully lift the globe away from the mantles. If the globe had broken, I'd want to be sure I went through and cleaned any broken glass away from the lantern. Now I can install the new globe. The globe rests on these springs on the bottom, and that prevents over-tightening, which could crack the globe. I'll replace the top cover and secure it with the thumb screw. And that's how easy it is to install a new globe on your lantern. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.